Hey guys, it's Sue here. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I do have something a little bit different and a little bit special. Okay, so if you've been with me on my YouTube channel, you guys know that I had these social markets going on with Hanyul, Thank You Farmer, and Make Prem, right? And it was kind of like this deal where I got deals, really special deals off of these great products, and you guys could get them at great deals, but it was only exclusive to those living in Korea. And so every time I did these deals, I felt so bad for my subbies who were living in international, like abroad, and couldn't get these deals. And I really did feel bad. And as a matter of fact, with my latest deal with Make Prem, I actually reached out to Airy, who were super nice about it. Now that I think about it, they really didn't have to do this, but they were amazing about it. But they actually had the same discount for the products that I was doing through the social market, so that you guys who are living abroad could also kind of get the same deal, right? And I got nothing out of the deal. It was really out of love for you guys because I felt really bad. So when Wishtrend reached out to me and asked if I wanted to curate my own skincare box, I was like yes, because they have free international shipping. So ta-da! Here is my own Sue's Summer Essentials skincare kit box. All of them I have already mentioned in my channel before, and I think these are great products. You guys can definitely see some familiar faces here and there. So all of these products are valued at $110, but you will be getting them at $65 with free international shipping. So I think it's a great opportunity, and even if you're in Korea, you can still get them, so don't worry. The deal is opened right now and it will last a month, which I think is a pretty long time. And it also gives you time if you want to kind of save up money for it. So I think it's a great opportunity. And so let me just now walk you guys through these beautiful products one by one. Start off with this Dear Klairs Soft Airy UV Essence. You guys have seen me mention this product a bunch of times on my videos before. It is a really nice sun cream, and I love the fact that it has 80 ml. Thank you very much. So I just feel at ease when I use this product. Because of that, I think I'm like good halfway through. I've been using this. I've just been reaching out for this a ton of times, and I think it's a great sun cream even if you have sensitive skin. So my own sister, who I made her try this sun cream out because she has very unpredictable sensitive skin, and it didn't burn her skin up, which is something that happens if a product doesn't work well for her. No white cast, no heavy residue, no stickiness whatsoever. So I think it's a great sun cream to try out. Yes, the next one. I'm sorry guys. This was the very first product that I included when curating this box. I was like, I have to have the Mugwort Mask in it or else it's just pointless. So you guys know how much I love this mask. I've went through a whole tub and I've started on my second one, and it helps to calm, to purify, to cool, all that good stuff. It has 2.1% of the mugwort, of the actual mugwort, and you can visibly see it with your own eyes. It's just a great one to pop it in your refrigerator. Use it cold when you have really heated skin, like myself. I get heated up really easily on my face, and that really does not help with anti-aging. It can exacerbate your acne, so it's really important to keep your skin cooled down, and I think this is one of the great ways to do it. So I'm just happy that this mask is in this box. I think you guys would love trying this out. For those who haven't seen this yet, this is basically a wash-off mask. So you just slather this all over your face, leave it on for like 15 minutes, and then you rinse it off with water. So I'm really happy that this is in the box for you guys. Yay! Next product that I have here is the Dear Klairs Midnight Blue Youth Activating Drop, which has EGF peptide treatment. And I've talked about this product with Yoon Yeon on one of my summer specials video. This is a very great anti-aging product, especially for the summer because it's super light. It has a watery consistency and it just feels like a toner or essence, a really fluidy essence. And it does wonders for my texture. I've already used a whole bottle and this is my second one. And with this product, I really noticed a difference in my texture. It feels really smooth, and honestly it's a great product to use all year round, but especially for the summer because like we said, it's too hot to do anything in the summer. Like even now I'm sweating so much, but anyways, so yeah, it's a great way to do anti-aging in the hot summer because it's super light. It feels kind of refreshing almost. So I think you guys would also really enjoy this amazing product. Last, we have the green tea enzyme powder wash that I did mention in my exfoliating video, which I posted up last week. And this is a great option to exfoliate if acids don't do well for your skin. So this is an enzymatic way of exfoliation, and it also has green tea powder in it, and we all know green tea is a great antioxidant ingredient. It is great for protecting the collagen, the skin cells, so it's honestly one of my favorite ingredients. This is basically a powder type, so you just dump some on the palm of your hands, mix it in with water, and what this will do, it will foam up and it will kind of melt all the powder, so you're not getting any of the graininess. What you do is wash your face and you're done. You can cleanse your makeup with this, but for me, I just like to do this after I cleanse with a very gentle gel cleanser, and then I'll use this. It's so much more gentle for your skin because it does not disrupt or depend on the pH level, and also the particles are bigger, so it won't penetrate as much as compared to the other types of exfoliating ingredients. Wishtrend has also offered to include these special gifts in the skincare box if you do order. So you'll be getting 5 of these Dear Klairs Midnight Blue Calming Sheet Mask, and also this by Wishtrend Clear Skin Shield Patch, which I think is amazing. I always think acne patch is handy to have with you. And a lot of people ask me how I use these, but basically what I'll do is that after I popped a pimple, I'll clean it with alcohol and then I'll put one of these patch over it because I don't want any more bacteria, dust coming in contact with my scar while it's healing, because once it does, it's going to worsen the hyperpigmentation. It's going to look even more darker. So it's essential that I protect kind of like that really sensitive area from the outside world, and that's when I use it. So it's super handy to have. As for these masks, I've talked about it with Yoon before on her Chanel. If you guys haven't seen that video, make sure to check it out. But this has an ingredient that actually cools down your skin, so you don't need to pop this in the fridge, which I think is super convenient, right? You just pop this on and it feels really cooling. And it's also made out of bamboo charcoal sheet, and it's actually a black color, so it's a little different. I do look like a thief in it. But I think it's a cool aspect to it. It's a little different. So that's what you'll be getting in this kit. And like I said, it's open now. I'll put the link down below if you guys want to check it out. And even if you're in Korea, you can still get it for free shipping. And I think it's just a great opportunity to check it out if you were first wondering about these products before, because you're getting it at a really good deal. Just because these two, the sun cream and the Mugwort Mask together, cost $60, 60 some odd dollars. So you're basically getting 2 full-sized products with it, with free shipping. And also it's great for those who couldn't really get their hands on K-beauty products and like the shipping cost was like way high. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next. Ciao!